Hello my viewer and welcome back to another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this large digital LED wall or table clock with remote control. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Included we have the user manual, the cable, 3 meters cable, very convenient, remote control, pull to enable the remote control, inside it has a battery, CR2025. And the LED clock. The digital LED clock features a 3D motor design and it comes with desktop bracket and wall-mounted hanging hole. 3. At the back we have the set button, increasing, decreasing button, the light sensor here. You need to plug in the cable. You can use a 5 volt 1 amp power adapter. For the wall use these 3 holes, or for the desktop this stand. Perfect. And the cable, it will stay just like that. And of course we have the remote control, on-off button, 12-24 hours up button, on-off alarm down button, right and left button, clock button, alarm, temp and bright. I will show you how you can use all these buttons. Now 5 volt we need. Wow! We need to adjust the time. 24 hours or 12 hours, 24 hours. With this button, on-off button, you can turn off or turn on the alarm, off right now. Now with the clock button, press once and adjust the hour, up and down buttons, 11, right button goes at the minutes, or you can press the decrease increase button at the back and you can adjust, and from here four, press the clock again. This is the month. With the up and down button you can adjust. With the left button you can adjust the day. (11) Clock button, the year. Clock button, and that was all. So easy to adjust the time. And of course you can adjust the brightness with the bright button. Low, medium, high and auto. High. And of course you can do that, and with the decrease button at the back, press and hold for 3 seconds. Press again and hold for 3 seconds. We can see it's changing the brightness. Again press and hold. There it is. And of course you can adjust with a temp button and check Fahrenheit or Celsius. 24 Celsius, 75 Fahrenheit. Correction at the back. In the start of my video I said that this is the brightness sensor. No, this is the temperature sensor near the connection for the power. And as am I talking, we can see the brightness is adjusting automatically. Up and down is flashing are the seconds, and with this button, press once, you can stop the flashing for the seconds. Again, resume. And of course you can switch it off, on. And with the alarm button, you can adjust the alarm, and you can adjust the hour, (11). Now the minutes, and alarm on is set 11:13. Let's wait and see how it will sound. Randomly is changing, we can see the hour, month and day, Fahrenheit, we need Celsius, and again goes to the clock. So that is the maximum sound. When the bell rings, you can press the alarm button to pause ringing and delay the alarm for 5 minutes. So let's wait another 5 minutes and see if it will work. And to disable or enable the loop display, just press the left button, or enable again. And again you can see the month, day, temperature, hour, minutes is changing. Off, on. And after 5 minutes again, the alarm is sounding. And you can press any button except the alarm, because it will snooze for 5 minutes again and stop the alarm. So easy. I think it's very convenient to use the remote control because it has all these buttons. It is very easy. Compare it with these 3 buttons at the back. So if you want to check the time in the middle of the night, you can have it in your room. Will not bother your eyes, has low brightness, and in the morning it will wake you up with an alarm. Not the loudest alarm I have ever heard, definitely needs an upgrade in volume. I like it, it looks amazing, the LED display fits perfectly to my office. Thank you for watching, until my next video don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the notification bell. Have a nice and lovely day, bye bye.